Okay, there it is. One side on. Go ahead, move it. So we're going to put a stop on it so it stops. Probably somewhere about right about in there. Leave a little small gap. We're going to figure out some sort of a stop. Hopefully adjustable. So we'll see. Got the other one right here, tacked up. Close. Okay, so here's the hinge. That's my hinge point there. So we got one here and down here. That's it, each side. And that's stacked strictly for mounting to the frame. So that's just a spacer to get it up to the right height. Okay, looking pretty good. You got the stops on. Got one there, one all the way up there, there, and there.